Exercise 3.2, question 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? They have asked to find the number of sides. And we know that if you divide 360 degree by its exterior angle, then it will give us number of sides. But here they have not given exterior angle. Instead of exterior angle, they have given us measure of interior angle. So first we need to find the measure of exterior angle, then only we can find the number of sides. Here interior angle they have given, and we know exterior angle and interior angle add up to 180 degree. We have learned this property, right? So interior angle 165, we will write first here what they have given. Measure of interior angle is equal to 165 degree, and you need to find number of sides. So number of sides is equal to question mark. Measure of interior angle and exterior angle add up to 180 degree. Right? This property already we have learned. So to find the exterior angle, we will subtract 165 degree from 180. Then you will get measure of exterior angle. So measure of exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus measure of interior angle right. Sum of exterior and interior angle is 180. So to find the measure of exterior angle, we will be subtracting measure of interior angle from 180 degree. What is the measure of interior angle here? 165. So is equal to 180 degree minus 165 degree equal to 15 degree. So measure of exterior angle we are getting here 15 degree. Now here to find the number of sides, once you get the exterior angle, we can find the number of sides by using this formula. Number of sides is equal to 360 degree divided by measure of an exterior angle. Replace this measure of an exterior angle by 15 degree is equal to 15 twos and 4s, we are getting here 24. So number of sides is 24. How many sides does a regular polygon have? Each of its interior angle is 165. So if the interior angle is 165, then the number of sides will be 24. So answer is number of sides is equal to 24. This is the answer. Exercise 3.2, question 5a. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree? They have given here measure of the exterior angle, and they are asking that can it be a regular polygon? So To decide whether it is regular polygon or not, what you need to do? We need to find the number of sides. How to find the number of sides? Divide 360 by measure of its exterior angle, then you will be getting number of sides. So here exterior angle is 22 and we know that sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360. So when you are dividing this 360 by the exterior angle, then you will get number of sides. But we know that 360 is not divisible by 22, right? It is not divisible. Instead of whole number, you will get their fraction. And we know that number of sides can't be in a fraction. That's why it is impossible to have a regular polygon with the exterior angle measures 22. So we will write what we have explained now. Since sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 and we are saying that this 360 is not divisible by 22. So we will write here which is not divisible by 22. 360 is not divisible by 22 and because of this reason we can say that it is not possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle with measure of each exterior angle is 22 degrees. So it is not possible to have a regular polygon with the exterior angle 22 degrees. Question 5, B question. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon and why? So in the first part they have asked that for a regular polygon can exterior angle be 22 degrees? So for first part it was not possible. Now in the second part they have asked that can it be an interior angle? If it can't be an exterior, can it be interior one? So again for being a regular polygon you need to check with its number of sides. So to find the number of sides you have to divide 360 by measure of its exterior angle. But here they have asked for the interior angle, means interior angle measures 22 degrees, then can it be a regular polygon? So to check with the regular polygon, you have to find exterior angle and then we will be finding number of sides. So here we will write here interior angle, measure of interior angle is 22 degrees. This is already given in the question. So what will be the measure of exterior angle then? Measure of exterior angle is equal to, we know that interior angle and exterior angle, its addition will be 180 degrees. Sum of exterior and interior angle is 180 degrees. So this property we are going to use here. To find the measure of exterior angle, we are going to subtract 22 from 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 22, we are getting here 150 158 degree. This is the measure of the exterior angle. So to find the number of sides, write the formula, divide this 360 degree by measure of an exterior angle. Measure of exterior angle is 158. We are dividing this 360 by 158. Then these both are the multiples of 2. So divide both numbers by 2. We will get here 180 degree by 79. 180 by 79. This is not a whole number. We are getting here fraction. And we know that number of sides for a polygon can't be in a fraction. This is not whole number. (180 by 79) is a fraction. We are giving reasons also there. Is a fraction. Number of sides can't be in a fraction, and therefore (22 degree) can't be a interior angle of a regular polygon. So with reasons we have proved that why a 22 degree angle can't be an interior angle for a regular polygon. Exercise 3.2, question 6 to 8. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? They are asking to find the measure of the minimum interior angle for a polygon. When the number of sides are minimum, then you will be getting minimum interior angles. So for which type of polygon number of sides are less? In the triangle there are 3 number of sides. In quadrilateral 4 number of sides. In pentagon 5 number of sides. So which is the minimum out of that? In the triangle we are getting only 3 sides. So when the number of sides are minimum, in that case you will be getting minimum interior angle. So we are taking here example of the triangle, and they are asking for regular polygon. Which is the regular triangle? Equilateral triangle is the regular triangle. So in a equilateral triangle you will be getting minimum interior angle, and interior angles for a regular polygon, regular triangle is 60 degree, means interior angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So let's write the solution of part A. Polygon with minimum number of sides has minimum interior angle. Triangle is the polygon with minimum number of sides. equilateral triangle. In the bracket we will write here regular polygon. Why we are choosing here equilateral triangle? Because in the question they have mentioned that that should be a regular polygon, and when we are choosing here triangle, then it will be a equilateral triangle, because equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. So in equilateral triangle, measure of interior angles, measure of an interior angle is 60 degree. So what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? So minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon is 60 degree. So in the answer we will mention that the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon is 60 degree. This is the answer of first part. Exercise 3.2, question 6b. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Here, when the exterior angle is maximum, that time interior angle will be minimum. When interior angle is minimum, that time exterior angle will be maximum. So in the first part we have explained that for an equilateral triangle we are getting minimum interior angle. So when the interior angle will be minimum, that time exterior angle will be maximum. Why? Because sum of interior angles and exterior angle is 180 degree. So when you are getting interior angle 60 degree, that is minimum, that time exterior angle will be 180 minus 60, 120 degree. So 120 degree is the maximum exterior angle, right? So let's write this. When the measure of interior angle is minimum, then the measure of an exterior angle will be maximum, right? So minimum interior angle is 60 degree. So measure of an interior angle, I'll mention there minimum interior angle is equal to 60 degree. Then measure of an exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 60. So we will get here 120. I forgot to write here maximum. So in the bracket just mention there maximum. Measure of a maximum exterior angle will be 180 minus 60. So we got here 120 degree. So this is the measure of maximum exterior angle. When the interior angle is minimum, that at the same time you are getting maximum interior angle, that is 120 degree. This is the answer for second part.